Good day, everyone. I'm introducing hydrogen fuel cell emission control system and fuel efficiency by inventor Roderick Nicholas. We're in the Philippines, whereby road transport is the largest contributor with over 80% of carbon emissions, and most diesel vehicle in the Philippines are not equipped with catalytic converter or emission control system, and running up to 30 years producing more carbon pollution to environment, with average related deaths to over 66,000 a year by suffering our commuters and communities. In reality, catalytic converter can use for only 100,000 kilometers, or 5 years to expired. That is why Japan has only 5 years expiration of any catalytic converter to meet their strict guidelines in emission control. In reality, hydrogen fuel cell is the best technology to meet the strict guidelines in controlling carbon emissions to environment. Then HHO companies were established internationally with unlimited variation. Like Toyota Motors owns 5,680 global patents related to hydrogen fuel cells. That is why the competition in hydrogen fuel cell is sustainability, which is very difficult to secure, that needs more continuous R&D. Since hydrogen fuel cell technology was proved by NASA and Society of Automotive Engineers, which is a given formula as a fuel efficiency to a significant reduction of harmful emissions, it was implemented since 2004 by the government of California through executive order. That is why more HHO company was established in the U.S. to comply for the strict guidelines by the government for emission control. Now the quality of the HHO technology is now on big concern, because conventional HHO generators can't last longer because of many issues like leakage that can cause wiring damage and corrosion. That is why they called it brown gas, due to the difficulties of hydrogen molecules to free flow. And some molecules are trapped, causing corrosion, overheating of generators. Is too much amperage cause PWM to burn out, and conversion problem due to a large size and too much accessories of the technology. Now this old problems with HHO is now on solution by AFC technology. In 5 years of R&D for a simplified version, we made a all-in-one device at low ampere and high hydrogen output for a long-lasting fuel cell efficient technology that we must present to the government by implementation to reduce massive amount of carbon pollution that can aggravate more health problems and more environmental disaster through climate change mitigation and adaptation of the technology in supporting R8749, the Philippine Clean Air Act, according to the principle of sustainable development, since the DBP and Land Bank is the accredited entity of GCF. The Green Climate Funds is to limit the carbon pollution in Philippines. The AFC technology is ready to comply by the green energy transition to reduce massive amounts of carbon pollution. To progress our nation, helping one another is our key to uplift, overcome and restore the economy of our nation. To support new inventions and technology is one of the great impact. Much more when new innovation of technology pertains to the environment and health must be a great project for our nation. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.